Hi guys, in this video ntle ke bua ka topic ya liquidity. Topic ye ha ya bola go request ya ke batho ba le bantsi tota ba sala ba nkopa, but I'm going to make sure this video is worth it for you. Ke go explain la dio tse le gore tota le nna ke tshela ke di bona mo marketeng tse le gore ga di ke di bona ke yana o le nosi wa bona. I'm going to explain to you guys. You guys see that we took a long time to drop episode 2. This is episode 2 of our trading series liquidity. The reason why is because people are not engaging, guys. Please comment anything. Lauka comment or hi Eddie, Lauka comment any video suggestions, anything you see. At least let's reach 10 comments in this video. At least episode 3. You see, so yeah, no, okay. So you see, with liquidity, have you ever seen whereby like you are correct with the price, ne? You are correct with the direction, but you are taken out before we go to the initial direction. Let's get about guys. Sell BTC yesterday, it was trading at 104,000. As you can see, this is the zone. I marked it in red. We are trading, I think our entry was somewhere, it's 15 minutes. I think our entry was somewhere here. Yeah, it was exactly here. Let me mark it for you. Nonsense e diragalang mo chatting e leng gore le lona ke a itse gore le na le experience go tsong hantle bo gore kantene mona wa ba ntirana wa go dirana bo feel ka re ano ba ta go give up ka forex maleta. The problem is not you, man. The problem is these people. You see, so this is the area that we were trading yesterday, right here. We took sells because I was expecting a price drop to 102,000. That was our take profit in the signal group. You know what happened? Fortunately, they gave us this move right here. Some people ran out in the group. In the XM signal group, but do move was now because they had made something, but because Rona we were targeting long and we were looking for this big move, we got taken out because we had a stop loss of 5 USD per 0.01. 5 USD per 0.01 was somewhere right here. It was somewhere right here. So it took out our stop losses right here. How one idea wiki thing, it was 9 USD. So le motho e leng gore o letsa tsene ka stop loss sa $8 maabane mo Bitcoin a tsene le rona, they got taken out before this whole move happened. That's where liquidity plays in. That's why you are not wrong. The problem is the brokers and the institutions. That's the thing that they do. I wish I could swear because this is not fair, guys. So every time when everybody is excited and they're confident about a price drop or something, some weird things always happen. Let me show you examples, real life examples. Your NFP and your CPI news release. Have you ever realized when like we are on maybe like more CPI price will be ranging I get, and then the news release comes out, I get it says this about the USD and what, and then we get our spike to the upside, sharp. That's normal spike. It goes along with like economically. The next 30 minutes after spike is when it sells a CPI canasa NFP says, because people know for data release it's something that's going to affect a pair for a very, very long time. Price so it's going to continue in that direction because data data like we have experienced a bad side on USD, so our long term USD has to suffer in this way sharp price ya go godimo ya gold I get USD is weak, gold ya spike ya go godimo ka CPI. Ke ena o ya no no, it's because data release years, then price decides to come back around 50% for just 30 minutes or after news is now. So I don't news you like I have to for about 30 minutes until 3 o'clock. Price and then it decides to range. High 6 p.m. in Botswana time, you see price starts to climb. Kantele how ta go lebella o itlhelele gore no entry ya go ke tseo se se go tlisang botlhoko ke sone seo tle be itlhelele gore no the entry tsa go ye ngwe ne le ha. It's usually like this ye ngwe ne le ha or o add positioneng tse dingwe no ro di tsaga e bereka go gontsha and then price ke ya tsamaya go godimo eo. This is a common thing, right? So go nna go diragala, you know, and the factor e leng gore ya contributor tota is called FOMO, fear of missing out. I always tell people most of the time we are actually killed by a lot of positions in the market. This thing ya gore e re o tsene ka $30 bo bona mo gold o tsena mo profiting ya 10 USD and then you add 2 more positions, you're going to blow and it's not gonna stop. The reason why most people in my XM Signal group are actually profitable is because I've taught them this thing. One position doesn't hurt when you are trading a volatile pair. This whole move, let me tell you something. This whole move Yamabania Bitcoin from 104,000, this one, you know how much it was by a single position? Because I actually held the move, Mabanin. I actually held the move to somewhere around here at night, Maban. This move was 40 USD per 0.01. Maybe one stop out was 9 USD. So if no teneka account at $20, or decide or no stop loss na make account with one position, you wouldn't have blue. But until how to check out with you now we tell you 40 USD profit. Where now no decide our king go to position is a 3. A blood $20 I bet my direction. Guys, I realize this thing ya gore batla go huma ka speed, guys. This is one factor eleng gore ke ya re bolaya. This is the one factor eleng gore ya re bolaya. Price but guys, but they will always want to take us out before they go to the initial direction. Malo ba ke bone ka FOMC ne. FOMC gore la gore they were cutting interest rates. It was published this is, we are expecting a rate cut of this much sharp. Everybody's confidential. Buy gold sharp ne len nagele EDDIESMC ka bona this makes sense. I'm going to buy gold at FOMC. You know what happened when data was released? Gold actually sold. Sold. Esala ibile ka bonya ibile re bona hela ha kante what is happening ne so re gona le news release e rentsha and then ke rapidly ya spike ya go godimo. Like after release like later on, like maybe 15 minutes later, then we are like, so every time we are very confidential in the market. Every time always wait for the manipulation, please. How about 1 or 2 positions. But this thing for trading CFDs, what's the recommended balance that you advise you start? I advise starting with above 30 USD, guys. 30 USD, and then don't over risk. Trade the volatile pairs. That okay. Or trade a pair slow like GBP, JPIs for very, very small equities. But like I say, pairs like Bitcoin. In our group, we trade Bitcoin. By the way, my XM Signal group is free, guys. Or you just need to register an XM account in the link in the description. Away funda about the number group for lifetime. Guys, over to never our XM group and what. Hey, but anyway, yeah. Every time we are very, very confidential about the price, these guys will always make a fake move. They'll always make a fake move. That's why the stop hunt I haven't really explained the stop hunt and everything, but I think more video in here I've really covered it. A stop hunt is whereby simply the same thing I'm trying not to select this thing. Ke sone se le gore ke letse re se experience tse maabane sone se le gore ne re tsene trade ha a bo etsa maya go trigger di stop loss sa rona ha godimo ha a be le gone price dropper. That's what you call a stop hunt. So that's all I can say from my side, from what I've experienced ka di manipulation pattern. This is a very, very common manipulative tactic. You just need to apply risk management and then that's all you need to do. Good again. See you in the next episode. Subscribe.